Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one dry machine. It is brand wise LG. Having problem with the bearing. It's motor bearing. While running time it making abnormal noise. It is too much noise actually. We check at customer home. It is from the motor bearing. We have to replace the bearing. I will show you the while rotating by hand also it's making too much loud noise. Because of that we have to remove the machine and we have to take it out the motor, and we have to replace the bearing. It will come bearing number 620102. Anyway, we will remove the motor and we will go to the next step. So with the hand I'm trying to it is abnormal noise. To check properly. Now we have to remove the two-side blower. After that we have to check. Now we already removed the two-side blower fan. Now we have to remove the motor and we have to check, because the before remove the body and winding, we have to mark properly, otherwise this will while we are going to refixing will get mistake. Because of that we have to mark first. Now we remove this one. See, you can see the bearing. It is already water gone. That's why it's motor not rotating. Also, while rotating by hand, it's making noise. Now we have to remove this bearing. Also, we have to change the bearing. And also, now I'm going to remove this bearing.
Admit. Call,
That bearing size already 6201. Now I am going to fix the rotor and winding both. Also other bearing we have to fix this way, and here we have to take it out from here, and be careful, we have to do this job, otherwise winding will get damaged. Also after that we have to fix this blower. This is winding cooler, and we will use this one. Now it's okay. This is for the winding cooling actually system. Now we have to fix the bearing here, this bearing. Now I'm going to fix the bearing. This is 6201, and also I'm using this one. Yes, it's okay. Now I have to fix this one. Now I fixed this one also. Now I have to fix this connector properly here. It's like that will come. After that I have to fix all the screws. properly. I have to tie it now this pulley also. This is lock pin, cotter pin we have to fix, otherwise this will come out. It should come like that, otherwise this one will come out. Now okay, we fix already motor. Now we have to fix blowers. After that we can fix to the machine. And done. Now I am going to fix the motor. Power connection. Now I am going to fix other side blower cover. And after that capacitor. Fix already everything. Now I have to fix only the drum. After fixing drum we have to fix both side cover and top cover. After that our job will be finished. The motor is working without any problem, not making abnormal noise also. Now we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel also. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day.